Hey there, welcome to my crib. This is it, guys. This is where all the magic happens. There's no magic. Anyway, let's just, I don't know where to start. Okay, so let's just start here. These are just two random pictures, honestly, that I got from Target. They came pre-framed and they match my whole plant theme, which is what I've got going on. I love fake plants, can you tell? I do have a closet. I do keep my clothes somewhere. It's not very cute or organized, but if you have an organized, cute closet, I don't trust you. You're probably a serial killer. So
very true.
I'm not a serial killer, so we don't have that. Speaking of closets though, we all know that it's pretty hard to like keep your closet tidy and whatnot. There's so many clothing items in there that you literally never touch and it's just rotting in the back of your closet. Why not sell them? I like to sell my clothes using the Poshmark app. Poshmark is a great app. It's definitely the easiest way to sell things and clean out your closet. It's also not just for selling. Shopping is amazing on Poshmark too. If you guys have a Poshmark, please comment your username down below so that I can follow you. Definitely download the app, and if you'd like to download the app, the link is in the description, so feel free to click that after this video. So this is my app on Poshmark. You guys definitely need to follow me. I'm selling some things on there and we can like interact and share clothes. It'd be so much fun. Okay, so let's come over here. So this is a moon print that I got from Desenio. I'm actually really proud of this guy right here. I really think it's so pretty, and I love like laying in my bed and like looking at it, and like plants are like dangling around. I'm like, it's kind of like my mini jungle. That doesn't make any sense, but it feels like it to me, and I really like it. So I got the plant from IKEA, and this thingy, this little macrame hanger thingy, I got from Amazon. And right here we have another IKEA plant. We love IKEA plants. And my camera, my phone. Down here I have all of my knickknacks that I should throw away, but I keep them in this bin because I'm a hoarder. And we also have this Himalayan rock salt lamp. It's good for the good vibes, positive energy, just blessing my area, you know. I got lots of random candles, baby cactus, another crystal, because good vibes only, guys. Here's my bed where I have too many pillows, but I love them all. They're like my children. I couldn't give up one of them. So I got them all from Target, except for I think like one or two of them is from Urban. They might all be from Target. I think they're all from Target. Yeah. And here we got another Amazon macrame thing. Guys, Amazon is popping, okay? They've got some cute stuff. I know it's just like, you wouldn't guess it, but this was so cheap and it was so cute. I got it along with this one, and I just hung it right there. And that little bullhead, bullhorn thing I got from Target. I just think it's really cool. It looks really rustic, like Arizonian. I don't know. So other side of my bed, we've got this. I have two candles because I'm extra. And this is like a cute little kitty, what's it called? Jewelry catcher. And I also have coins in there, random stuff. Some sunglasses and eyeglasses. I got these little fake cactuses, fake just like me. And also some subliminal messaging, so when you see it in the background of my videos, you're just like, oh, I guess I should subscribe to her. I think that's how it works. I don't know, I'm not a psychologist. And then also we got another big fake cactus from Target. If I say Target one more time. Okay, this video is not sponsored by Target, but they really should. I'm doing them way too many favors for free. Here we have another poster from Desenio. It's the moon, because I think it's really pretty and I like the moon. I think I have a weird obsession with plants and the moon, and it really shows in my room. Yeah. So
never would have thought.
Never would. I don't know. I think I might need some more fake plants. Yeah, so actually I just hung these up. I hammered it in myself, and these are cute little pot holder things from Target, and I got these succulent things from like Michael's and Target, and I just like cut them off and just stuck them in there. They're fake because no one's got time to actually take care of living things here. Okay.
Where are your curtains from?
Oh my god, yeah, right. My curtains. My curtains are from IKEA. We love IKEA. They're just sheer and pretty. I try to, you know, give myself some privacy. You know, we got some blinds here. They do the thing. The blind thing, I know. And over here, this is probably one of my favorite parts, I think. I think it's really cute. It's my desk. I got this thing, I just got this today from Ross. It's fuzzy. It goes over the ugly black chair that they came with in the room. I got this shelf from IKEA, and I got this plant from IKEA. I got this plant from Target. I have a Polaroid camera, I'm pretty sure it's from Urban Outfitters. The other plant's from IKEA. And also I have Harry Styles vinyl record. It's cute. It's kind of like a shrine, but it's kind of not. It's exactly my kind of aesthetic, guys. So here we have a bunch of my makeup. This isn't all of it though. It's kind of just like what I use in my day-to-day, plus some extra eyeshadow palettes or whatever. I cannot actually keep all my makeup out on my desk. So it's like stored away in like different makeup bags in my bathroom and stuff. So yeah, I like this mirror a lot. My mom got it for me. I really think she got it from Amazon. I'm not positive, but like, guys.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Yeah, oh my god.
Exposed.
By the way, Chloe is the one that's filming me. She's my roommate. She also has a YouTube channel. She's linked down below. Make sure you check her out. Chloe Hand. Thanks girly for doing this for me.
What are roomies for, right?
Right, filming. That's what they're for. I would be living by myself if I didn't need someone to film me. Okay, and here we have my boyfriend. He's a big planty boy. I think I named him something. What did I name him?
Fern.
No, he's not a fern. He's a palm. I think I literally named him Leafy. Yeah.
Leafy, yeah.
I named him Leafy. And I love him. He really takes up space in my room. He's kind of like my friend. I talk to him when all my roommates are tired of me. Here we have the phases of the moon.
More moons. It's okay. It's fine.
Oh god. Okay. So we have phases of the moon, and I got all my jewelry, my necklaces hanging here. This is also my vinyl right here. It's like sky blue. It's really cute. I got it from Urban Outfitters. I actually used it before at home, but I forgot the plug, and I don't have a disc on it right now, so it's really just for show. I have a couple of records down there. And also, I just got that basket for Leafy today. He's really happy in his new home. Got from Ross, $10. Guys, good at deals or whatever.
We love Ross.
And here is my very favorite part of my room. This is my mirror. As you can tell, I really like my daily ritual where I stare at myself for at least 2 hours every day. 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour at night, and I just spend some quality time with myself. Yeah, it's perfect. And oh, while we're down here, we have fake. It's faux, I'm a vegetarian. Sheepskin rug from IKEA. So it's really fuzzy, it's cute, it breaks up the room. I think it looks nice. I would get a bigger carpet, but those are expensive, so that's not gonna happen. I also have some fake sunflowers right here. My mom brought these fake sunflowers from home. I think it was like an old decoration we had. I got this picture thing from IKEA. It's cute. Sunflowers are nice. And over here we have my bathroom. We have really loud fans here. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's bad. So it's not very cute at all. It's just where I shower, where I occasionally shower. I'm a clean person. Anyway, so this is that. I got this today. I actually like this. This is like the one piece of my bathroom that I like. I got it from Target. And so this is probably my least favorite part of the entire everything in this apartment.
I just noticed that you had that.
Yeah, it's really weird. I had some wings in my old bedroom, and it looks cute on the wall in my bedroom, but now it's just like above my bathroom
You
mirror.
just like stand in the middle of it. And
it's just like kind of unnerving. Like it's a little weird. It's not my favorite piece. Not my favorite piece. But yeah, bathroom's not cute at all. Get out. Get out. No, don't sell any more of that. It's garbage. I think that's everything. Yeah, I don't know. I really like my bedroom. I worked really hard on it and I waited a couple months and I think it's all finished now. I might get like a mirror or 2 more because, you know, mirrors. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join my little family, click the notification bell so that I can annoy you and pop up on your phone whenever I post anything ever. So yeah, bye guys, love you. Okay, thanks, bye. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found it somewhat funny or entertaining or whatever, because then I did my job. Leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part of this room was. Tell me if you could, you know, describe my aesthetic. Maybe you could also figure out why I have this weird affinity for moons and fake plants. Let me know if you figure that out. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and thank you once again so much to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go download the app, link in the description.